ACS bicycle carriers. Acs Pro. There are 2 different models, 2 bicycle carrier and 3 bicycle carrier. Take the bicycle carrier out of the packaging. Determine the correct placement on your vehicle according to the user manual. Package contents: user manual, bicycle carrier, protective pads, tie-down strap, bicycle securing straps. Preparation. Before assembly, clean the areas where the bicycle carrier and hooks will be placed. Do not turn the handles clockwise or counterclockwise under any circumstances. Hold the plastic handles on the sides and lift them upwards. Place the bicycle carrier on the boot lid so that the arms holding the bicycles form a 20-degree angle with the roof. Press the plastic handles down to lock the mechanism. Attach the 2 hooks to the upper part of your vehicle's boot lid. Attach the lower hooks to the bottom part of the boot lid. If you cannot secure it, attach the hooks to the edge of the vehicle's bumper or to a suitable place on the chassis. Ensure that nothing is touching the clips of the straps. Tighten the top and bottom straps to the correct position in order to adjust the bicycle carrier to the proper location. Determine the side straps. Attach the side straps at the nearest point to prevent them from moving. Attach the 2 side straps to the left and right sides of the boot lid and adjust them. After attaching the hooks, check the tightness of all of them. Make sure they are all taut. Ensure that there is no loose strap. Check by hand to ensure that the bicycle carrier is not loose. Place the bicycle securing straps. To prevent your bicycle's pedal from scratching the vehicle's boot, attach the protective pad from the package to the pedal. Start placing your bicycles in the slot closest to the vehicle. Ensure that your bicycle fits securely into the slots. Pull the bicycle securing straps tightly to fasten the bike. Tie the bicycles to the carrier using the remaining lengths of the straps at points you find appropriate. Use the tie-down strap to secure the moving parts of your bicycle. Tie the remaining straps to suitable points. Perform a final check after assembly. Warning: this product must be properly assembled before use. Incorrect assembly may cause danger. Incorrect assembly may damage the bicycle carrier, bicycles, your vehicle, and other vehicles. It can be easily assembled to many vehicles. If assembled according to the instructions, it will not damage your vehicle. Precautions before each use. Check the straps and tighten them if they are loose. Replace any damaged straps. Check the bicycle carrier before placing the bicycles. After placing the bicycles, the straps may loosen. Tighten the straps again. All straps must be securely attached to the vehicle.